I'ma stop on them breakdowns. Hopscotch barefoot over broken glass. Drop tops hit the block, catch a high flash. Hookers breathing fast, Chevy speeding past. Tank full of gas, in my lungs too. Tryna come boo, I know you want to. She said she gon' do the shit the others won't do. Baby girl, how you know all my hoes ice cold? Train to go, some of them already gone collecting dollars, and then they find their way back home. That's wherever we at, spots all over the map. Confidential, residential with the S strip in the back. Import, export exact, straight from the fact. All I do produce facts,
You saying you can't control your bitches?
It would've went right there, but we gon' hold it.
What I'm saying is they deserve any area they can control.
All I do produce truth, I'm a fax machine. Two of my impalers in Lowrider magazine. What did you achieve while talking shit about me? You ain't even notice all your hoes trying to leave. Sit to your stomach about that woman. Rearranged up plumbing, amazed at how I done it. You offering incentives to return. She don't want it, dummy. Keep the E in it, Chevy's on switching. Smoking weed in it, don't post me in your pictures. If you could keep a secret, we could always. Rule number one, don't talk about me. See, she trying to make me rich, that's what they all say.
I respect your ambition, but you got to have vision.